Adding your seed varieties. To access the seed varieties screen, simply go to the Product Master menu and then to the seed varieties screen icon. In this screen, you can manage a list of seed varieties that eventually you will inventory and sell. To add a seed variety, select the Add Seed Variety icon. A window will appear, and in here you can enter in your seed variety name. So let's say for today we're going to do some conlon. You'll attach a crop type to it. In this case, we'll say barley. And then you'll also tell which seed supplier for this variety. So for here, we'll say Andrea Genetics. Then I'll hit save. You can have multiple seed variety records in seedtrakr. So we'll just go ahead and add another one. We'll say this variety is Surus. And the crop type is oats. And we'll say that it's Teresa Genetics Incorporated. That's the supplier of this variety. And I'll hit save. If I've made a mistake on my seed varieties, I can simply go in and select the edit pencil to edit the variety. Maybe I need to change the name. I can go ahead and change it. Maybe I want to call it Surus Oats. And I'll hit save. I can also make a record inactive if I no longer need to inventory or sell this product. So for example, I'll hit the edit action again. Making a record inactive in seedtrakr is pretty easy. You just uncheck the active checkbox. And now when I hit save, the record disappears from my window. I can always go back and view my inactive seed varieties by selecting the toggle filter action in the top right corner. When selected, I have the option to search by different criteria. So for example, if I uncheck the is active records filter, it'll show me all of my inactive records. To clear this and go back to the main screen, just hit the clear filter button and you'll be taken back to your main screen. Now, at any time, if I want to see who's made changes to my seed variety records, I can simply select the View Changes action, and it's going to pull up a list of what happened with this record. So if I click on it, it's showing me that on this date and time, Andrea added a record to my seedtrakr. She set the crop type to barley, set the active to true, named it conlon, and set the seed supplier to Andrea Genetics Incorporated. That's how you manage seed varieties in seedtrakr. That's the end of setting up seed varieties.